When constructing, renovating, or refurbishing, many things have to be taken into account. Construction is expensive. Therefore, builder owners and contractors strive to save wherever possible. Oftentimes, however, they save on the wrong things. Fortunately, Schneider offers intelligent solutions to reduce the cost of construction, as well as the cost of using a bathroom. Depending on the illuminated mirror, mirror cabinet, and size of the room, no other sources of light are necessary. This eliminates the need for ceiling lighting. Not only does this save a lot of money on wiring, it also saves power day after day. This way, builder owners save up to several thousand per bathroom, building, or facility. Most of Schneider's mirror cabinets and illuminated mirrors don't only reduce costs, but increase the quality of living. Thanks to light features such as infinitely variable dimming and automatic adjustment of illumination throughout the day, everyone will feel perfectly comfortable in the bathroom, morning, noon, and night. My ultimate mirror experience. wschneider.com